Simple and fast review of the Supet brand dog collar for dogs that have surgeries or anything that requires them to kind of wear a collar around their neck. This is a medium size. We're going to open it up, show you how it works, and take it from there. All right, so once you get it out, it does have some cute stickers they give you, just kind of definition that it's the medium. And the cone itself, the idea here is that it's going to be Velcroed on. And so the concept is finding kind of a spot to kind of get it all around the neck. I don't know if you've ever worked with another collar, but some of these things require, I'm actually going to show you in just a second how difficult it can be versus utilizing this to try and just put it on and off real quick and just leaving it there. Now, what I will suggest is that you try and find it so that it's just matched up pretty darn well around the neck. It does have a space to put a collar through if you want, which is an optional feature. You could also kind of tie it if you want to, depending on whether or not you're worried about it coming off. There is some additional Velcro here, and it comes with a couple additional pieces here that you can kind of use to create your own spot if needed, so you could just tape it on and work from there. But we'll go ahead and show it on my puppy here, who just had a surgery on his leg. He tore his ACL equivalent, and so we'll go ahead and show what it looks like. Now, this is a good solid clear plastic, relatively lightweight, so we'll go ahead and put it on. All right, so first let me show you kind of exactly why I don't like this thing. You literally have to wrap it around your dog's neck. You then have to fight to squeeze this through, and this is while the dog is wearing it. You have to get this through here, and no, I'm not trying to make it worse than it is. It's literally just a pain in the neck, to the point where my solution has been kind of while it's around his neck, literally going like this. And then the top one's always easier for me for some reason. It bends a little bit better. But then you have to then tie this around his neck, which is just a pain in the neck, literally. And then to remove it, you'd literally just pull this off and pull it off. Now, you may have seen him moving around. This one's got the Velcro, and it's easy. It's simple. As you can see, we had some work done on his knee there. But now he's happy, and it's easy. It literally comes on and off. The one negative, if there is one, is that it's loud, and it kind of startled him. He's going to get comfortable here. It startled him when pulling the Velcro, so that may take some getting used to, but the on-off experience was well worth it. So to me, definitely worth buying. He's a happier puppy because of it. So hopefully this review helps you, and thanks for watching.